Yeah, good candy smoking lasts you all day. Things change. Things change. Well, there used to be no gentleman of color could come along. But that was changing about the time Fort Smith old Judge Parker took the bench back in 75. Well, since then, black folks and Indians went on. Worked out of Fort Smith for some years. Then out there in Wilburton, Indian Territory, with all them rowdy mining camps. Well, there wasn't ever no more active deputy to put on a badge. He took down men for robbery, assault, adultery, maiming, violating internal revenue laws, and introducing and selling liquors on Indian land. Hell, he even arrested his own stepson, Will Reed, on murder charges. Reckon that was no easy day. But Bob Fortune didn't play no favorites when he was wearing the badge. See, a big problem they had in them days was folks going on to Indian land and causing trouble. One Saturday night, 96, four real tough nuts, Tom Finley, Dennis Short, and them two Allen brothers, went on the reserve and beat up a couple of men real bad. Some so-called lawmen looked the other way at things like that, not Bob Fortune. Funny thing, he didn't even need to shoot any of them scofflaws. One look down the muzzle of that rifle was enough. Fortune ended up in what they call the 10 Years Club. Now, not many men had the stamina to marshal that long, but Bob Fortune did. He even became a big shot lawyer later, but that's a story for another day. Oh, you mean Nancy for your coach? Oh, you got plenty of time yet. That's even. I'll throw that one out. Yes, sir. I always say there's no better way to pass the time than one genuine Havana.
John Wayne's parade saddle. Second jail, built in 1888. The gallows. Oh, yeah.
Look, he's down there now. I can see him.
That's the very first Fort Smith. That's the officer's garden. Those slabs are where the officers' quarters used to be. That is the flagpole. On the right is the second jail, 1888. On the left is the original structure.